With the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear student, friend, follower, today we are going to discuss what is truth. So, what is truth according to you? Okay, tell me if you know what is truth. You know how Socrates is going to ask question. If some people are coming from somewhere, he asks that where are you coming? They say that we have come from Apollo or God says. He asks when you go there, what you get from God says. They say that we seek pleasures, we get pleasures and we go there, we get satisfaction. He asks that what is pleasures according to you? And you know, these people were unable to tell what is pleasures according to them. And today I am going to ask same question. What is truth? According to Aristotle, truth is, what is definition according to Aristotle? Aristotle say truth is in metaphysics. In metaphysics and philosophy of language, the property of sentence, assertion, what is truth? Property of sentence, assertion, belief, thought, proposition that are said in ordinary discourse to agree with the fact and state what is the case. What is the case? So in simple word we can say truth is reality, truth is fact. So how you are going to express this truth? You will explain it through linguistic. So every reality which is explained linguistically is known as truth. So in simple word. So every propositions of fact, or you can say proposition, for example, I say to the people that Donald Trump is orange. It is I believe. I say that Donald Trump is orange. But the word outside this is my inner thought. It can be good or can be true or untrue. It can be true or false. But outside the word, people know Donald Trump is president and he is serving in USA. He is the president of USA and he has a name. So whatever I am saying, he will be still Donald Trump and he will be president. So reality and fact is that is the president. Whatever is coming my mind, it can be wrong or false. It can be wrong or true. So the propositions and whatever belief I have, what is proposition, whatever thought I have, it can be wrong or right. But whatever correspond to reality, whatever is fact and that is recognized and that is well recognized outside the world, and whatever I say that correspond to the reality, that will be true. So the truth is that is unchanging, that is a permanent one. So talk about the sun is a reality. It is coming from east and it's being sunset in the west. So sun is reality, sky is reality, God is reality, and then everything that has an existence. For example, this pen is a true and is a reality, and it can be linguistically expressed as well. So whatever you can express linguistically, that will be reality that can be expressed through linguistic form, that is truth. Hope you got the point. It is related to philosophical question. Somebody raised this question and I was interested to answer, so I have answered. It is from IR students. If you don't know about the truth, what is truth? Truth is basically kind of fact that is correspond to the fact, that is near to the fact, and that can be expressed through linguistically. Hope you got the answer. Stay blessed and have a nice time.